In the last video, we started to understand why we are not a denomination. Today, we continue from further in the message, from around line 60 and beyond, to pick the most important truths. This is not about fighting churches. This is about understanding spiritual life. Muri video iherukat watanguye kubo na impamvu tutari idini. Ubu turabandanya Duhera ku murongo wa 60. Dukuramwo inyigisho z'ingenzi zidusobanurira ubuzima bwo muri Kristo. A person is not known by the name of a church. A person is known by the life inside them. You can belong to a group. You can attend every service. You can know many teachings. But the real question is Christ living in you? Ibibisobanura ko umuntu atamenyekana ku izina ry'ishengero, amenyekana ku buzima buri muri we. Ushobora kuyamumateraniro yose, ushobora kumenya inyigisho nyinshi, ariko ikibazo nyamukuru ni iki. Mbega Kristo yoba ari muzima muri wewe? It's not a name, it's a life. Si zina n'ubuzima. The true church is not a building. It is not an organization. It is not a system made by men. The true church is made of people whose hearts have been changed. Itorero ri ukuri si inyo bakwa. Si organization, si umugwi wa bantu gusa. Ni abantu bahindue ni mana imbere mu mitima yabo. The real church lives in the people. Itorero ri ukuri ri bamu bantu. Religion can teach you rules. Religion can guide your behavior. Religion can organize people. But religion cannot change the heart. Only God can do that. Idini rishobora kukwigisha amategeko. Rishobora kugutonganya. Rishobora kugufasha gukurikiza ibintu bimwe. Ariko hari iko ridashobora gukora. Anti rishobora guhindura umutima. Imana yonyene niyo ihindura umutima w'umuntu. Only God changes the heart. Imana yonyene niyo ihindura umutima. God does not look at what church you attend. He looks at what is inside your heart. He sees your thoughts. He sees your life. He sees who you really are. Imana ntiraba ao usengera. Natibaza izina ry'idini. Iraba imbere mu mutima wawe. Iraba uko ubaye. Iraba ikuribi ukuri. God looks at the inside. Imana iraba imbere mu muntu. Thanks for watching. Like, follow, share.